When the player jumps up, you will need to add the logic for adjusting its velocity. Use the addition assignment operator, which is this one, to add the velocity's y coordinate to the player's y's position. Don't forget to include the this keyword for the velocity and position. As you may already have realized that this one is actually achievable with the use of this one, but replace x with y. But perhaps let's take it slow. Again, we know that assignment operator is achieved with addition, addition symbol and the equal symbol. That is the assignment operator. And we also know that we have to add the y from the velocity object with the key y assigned to the value of 0. We have to add that velocity y to our position object, which is to our position object and accessing the y to the proportional size of base value 400. So we are adding this one to this one. And in order to amalgamate, all we know is that we have to use first the this keyword to refer to those two objects. So we first write this keyword and then access the object position and then the y. And we have to add the velocity y, the use of the assignment operator, and also refer to that velocity object with the use of the keyword this and velocity, and we are trying to access y, so we input y in here. So essentially we are trying to add the velocity y to the position y of the player. So that would be it. Nice.